आज हम लोग एनसीईआरटी के रिफ्रैक्शन के बेस पे जो एग्जाम्पल है वो हम सॉल्व करने चल रहे हैं। ये एग्जाम्पल ब्लू क्वेश्चन पेज नंबर है 194 पे। ठीक, आइए जो क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हैं ऊपर दिया गया है, लिखा गया है, जो दिया गया है उसमें दिया गया है कि द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज 1.5 देन n इज इक्वल टू 1.5। सोल्यूशन, n इज इक्वल टू 1.5 और दिए गए है स्पीड ऑफ लाइट c इज इक्वल टू 3 × 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड। इफ इन एनी क्वेश्चन c इज नॉट गिवन देन इट इज अंडरस्टूड c इज इक्वल टू 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. And in the question it is asking that what is the velocity or what is the speed of light in the glass. Let we consider the speed of light in the glass is v आपसे पूछ रहा है, तो आइए देखते हैं। we know that n is equal to c by v. Then v is equal to c by n. v is transpose right to left, c by n. We know that c is equal to 3 × 8⁻10 upon n is equal to 1.5 and that is equal to 3 × 10⁸ 1.15 upon 10. This 10 is going upper side, then numerator 3 × 10⁸ upon 15, 15 to the 30 and that is equal to 2 × 10⁸ meter per second. Then the velocity in the medium of glass v is equal to 2 × 8⁻10 meter per second. It is our answer. Okay. And second question is blue question, page number 194 NCERT. This question is given that the refractive index of kerosene, tarpaulin and water is given. So then given that refractive index n of tarpaulin is equal to 1.44. Refractive index of kerosene, sorry, it is our kerosene. It is our tarpaulin and that is equal to 1.47 and n of water equal to 1.33. It is in the question, it is asking that in which material does light travel fastest. We know that n is equal to c by v, then that implies v is equal to c by n and v is the velocity in that medium and c is the velocity in vacuum. Let me consider that medium is maybe kerosene, maybe tarpaulin, maybe water. Then v, from the above equation it is clear that v is inversely proportional to 1 by n. v is in this question v is inversely proportional to 1 by n. That means if n is increases then velocity is decreases. If n is decreases then velocity is increases. It is given that v is proportional to 1 by, if we take 1.44, 1.47, 1.33. It is our kerosene, it is our tarpaulin, it is our water. That means if it is greater, if it is increases, it is decreases, it is increases, it is decreases. Now we consider it is very large. This number 1.47 is large compared to other two digit. If it is large, then velocity is minimum. In other word, if it is increases, this is large, this is small, this is minimum. That means velocity in tarpaulin is minimum. Tarpaulin is minimum compared to kerosene, compared to kerosene, compared to velocity kerosene. In the tarpin, velocity is minimum, and after tarpin, velocity is large in kerosene, and after that velocity in water. So in which material does the velocity travel fastest? इन तीनों में किसमें सबसे ज्यादा वेलोसिटी है? That means the velocity, the light travel faster in this is a water. That means light travel faster in water. Okay, again we will discuss about this question. It is given that refractive index in kerosene is equal to 1.44, tarpin 1.47, and water 1.33. We know that n is equal to c by v, then v is equal to c by n. That means velocity is inversely proportional to 1 by n. मीन्स n बढ़ेगा तो वेलोसिटी कम होगी. आइए देखते हैं. वेलोसिटी इज इनवर्सली पास 1 बाई n, देन इनवर्सली 1 बाई 1.44, 1.47, 1.33. नाउ व्हाट इज द large quantity? That means 1.47 is large compared to other two quantities. If it is large, then velocity is minimum. Yeah, it is maximum, it is minimum. Then tarpin is minimum. After tarpin, we comparing in these two quantities, it is maximum. Then velocity in kerosene is maximum compared to tarpin, and compared to kerosene and water, the velocity of water is more. So we can say that the light travel faster in water. Okay, thank you.